We are a steel manufacturing business in Macrofelt, Northern Ireland, who make components for transport and material handling businesses of Northern Ireland. We wanted to participate in KTP to find a way to bring new roles to the business to counteract the shortages in labour and skill, to basically try and research a way to bring new processes to the business. We had a severe shortage of fabrication and skilled labour that we've seen coming. We needed to up our capacity within the business. We reckoned if we did that or try to research that with our own staff that we'd become slightly more stretched in it. The KTP project has been very positive. We needed a way to find and overcome shortages in labour and skill. We needed to find new technology. We needed to find people who could supply us something different to change our processes. The associate was involved in many parts of that research, the communication within the vendors, and ultimately the decision making and who we would go with and where we would invest. We've now invested in more than one robotic cell, and with the information they are gathering and how they are training, they're embedding that information within our business. For us, the collaboration was new. We hadn't been involved with university or academia before. Everything we've done in the past has been very manual, very manual processes, and the manufacturing process what we needed. We knew we needed to involve somebody. We knew we needed to find a way to share the load of the research and to find new aspects to it. We're very involved and very busy in what we do, and we always knew it was going to take longer if we had to focus on it ourselves. So we needed a new outlook. KTP brought to us a solution where we could put somebody in a place that could do the research role for us. They could gather the information, collaborate with ourselves and the universities, and find a way forward to give us the new processes we needed. This has been ultimately very positive, even though we may have been reserved at this time. The research role was spent mostly trying to establish what we needed to do. If we were to do that ourselves, we may not have got there in the same time frame. We are very driven as what we do in our company, and we probably would have made our decisions, but it would have took a lot longer, and we would have shared our own resources to do that. The KTP associate gave us a resource that we didn't have previously here and speeded the process up. For any business looking at the KTP project, looking at an associate to come within their business, I think it's a very good way to go forward. For us, the business was always going to be stretched. The KTP project gave us an idea, gave us a way forward, helped fund us and helped put us in a position that somebody else was dedicated to this role. So our KTP advisor's role has given us a lot of guidance in terms of one-to-one, both with myself and Connor, our associate on site, in terms of how to spend our budget, how to educate and upskill ourselves, how to move the project forward from regular meetings online and keeping in touch with where we were going with the project. How could we get the most out of it, and how could we increase our own knowledge and embed information within the business. This is our first time involved in KTP, and I hope it wouldn't be our last. We're already looking at projects where we would try and find another way to bring a KTP associate within our business. This first was involved completely in a research role where we were very dedicated and roughly knew what we needed out of it. We had an idea in mind, and we were looking at the shortages in skills and labour. We looked at how we needed to invest and where we need to go. We're already looking at research roles in terms of automation and things like that there going forward that may bring another KTP project to the table and to the business.